superstition way down south. Everybody believes that troubles won't stay if you shake it away. When they hold a revival way down south, everybody with cares and troubles that day learns to shake it away. Shaking the blues away, unhappy news away. If you are blue, it's easy to shake off your cares and your troubles. Telling the blues to go, now they may refuse to go, but as a rule they'll go if you'll shake them away. Do like they start to do, listening to a preacher way down south. They shake their bodies so, to and fro, with every shake a lucky break, proving that there's a way to shake your cares away. If you would lose your weary blues, shake them away.